In this video, we're going to take a look at target 15, which is all about arithmetic sequences, which is the same thing or kind of thinking as linear functions. Arithmetic sequences are continual and repeated adding over and over and over again, adding or subtracting based rules. Now remember, the key to a sequence is that is term 1. That is the first term of the sequence. In order to be writing an equation for it, we have to figure out the 0th term of the sequence. So if we think about what this is going by, we can see that it's adding 12 every time. So if it's adding 12, we can subtract 12 to go back one step, and we'd have a 96 right here. So one potential equation would be t of n, that's what we use for a sequence, equals 96, because that's what it starts at, plus it adds 12 every time. Now, you could also switch that around and do t of n equals 12n plus 96. In thinking about the graph of this, remember, sequences are discrete. If you were going to graph it, it would start at 96 and be a bunch of dots. Do not ever connect the dots on a sequence graph. Second example, decreases by 39. So if we work back a spot, we'd have 3780 as our starter number. So our equation could be t of n equals 3780 minus 39n. And I can see that it's dropping 39 every time. Just check a few of them to make sure that it's working. You've got the right equation. Another way to write it, if you switch it around, that's a negative 39n plus 3780. And there is your equation for that sequence. Again, arithmetic is adding. The graph is discrete. It's a bunch of dots. You need to remember that t of 1 starts a sequence. Go back one spot, find the 0th term of the sequence, and write your equation.